Hi everybody, this is a stay-at-home grandmom, and I just popped in. I don't know what I did. Anyway, I did something wrong, but anyway, we're gonna go on. They're doing the silicone egg boil, and I got an egg boiling, and it's real easy, real simple. Let me pull one out. Wash these out good. Pop them open. Crack the egg. I did that before, and then pop it in the shell, like out of the shell like this, and put the top on and put it in boiling water. I've got one boiling. I've got two already done. Somehow or other I hit something and it just went awry, but we go from there. So I'm going to pop this out and see what this looks like. Well, see that? See if it'll pop out easily. I don't see that it pops out so easy. Well, that's a fail. Let me try the other one. It's a good thing I'm making a salad out of it. Well, I don't think that it popped out so easy because I left it in there. So I don't know. That's kind of a fail to me. But it'll still go on as a salad, but I don't know that I'll use it. Now maybe there's something that I don't know. Maybe I'm supposed to let it cool a little bit more. Whatever, but I didn't. But I'm going to make the salad anyway. So, having said that, that's my cooking information today. If you like this, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comments section, and I will see you later. Anybody that has one of these, let me know what I'm doing wrong, because it just did not seem to go right at all. It says crack, boil, and pop egg into the silicone pot. Thermodynamic design allows egg to cool just like in the shell. So, I don't know. Anyway, I love you all. See you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.